The Google Lunar X Prize deadline came and went without a successful launch, so the contest had no winner. However, many of the finalists continue to shoot for the moon, one of which is Space.il. The nonprofit says that the Israeli government provided a little over $2 million of the total $90 million budget. The majority of the rest was funded by Israeli entrepreneur Morris Kahn and the Adelson Family Foundation. Okay, so let's take a minute to look at this mission's profile because it's actually taking a pretty unique route. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket dropped the Braysheet lander off in a geosynchronous transfer orbit, a path about 60,000 kilometers up. As the lander passes close to Earth, it'll fire its engine, elongating its orbit more and more until it reaches the moon's orbit, about 2 months from now. It'll circle the moon a few times and then perform an autonomous landing. Once on the surface, the lander will use its onboard magnetometer to measure the magnetic field of the moon. And if possible, it'll fire up its engines again and hop across the surface, taking measurements in another location. Space.il doesn't really have long-term plans for Braysheet. Their ultimate goal is educating the public about space travel, as well as performing a big first for Israel.